mounted. And now we mount the top closer. Again, the short stubby guy connects the door closer to the entry jamb bracket. And the long skinny one connects the storm door bracket to the door closer. Put the little O-ring on. And then you're going to take the longer of the two yellow spacers, take the longer one and put it on the top there. And then take the two short screws and install them. So now the bottom of the bracket here is going to line up to the top of the jamb there. Top the screw front of the screen frame. Remove the yellow closer, and there's a shipping clip here that you just pull back towards you and that comes off.